Let's calculate the service and overcurrent protection for a 150 kV amps welder with a 50% duty cycle operating at 480 volts single phase. First, calculate the current draw. The formula is current in amps equals power in kilovolt amps divided by voltage multiplied by the duty cycle multiplied by the power factor. We'll assume a power factor of 0.8. So current equals 150 kilovolt amps divided by 480 volts times 0.5 times 0.8, which equals approximately 416.7 amps. Next, determine the service size. The service size is typically determined by the continuous load rating of the welder. In this case, the continuous load rating equals the current draw, which we calculated as 416.7 amps. Therefore, the required service size is 417 amps. Now let's address overcurrent protection. First, calculate the overcurrent protection rating. The overcurrent protection rating should be at least 125% of the continuous load rating. Protection rating in amps equals 1.25 times the continuous load rating in amps. Protection rating equals 1.25 times 416.7 amps, which equals approximately 520.9 amps. Choose an appropriate overcurrent protection device. The most common type for welders is a circuit breaker. Select a circuit breaker with a rating of 525 amps. Remember, the National Electrical Code requires that the service conductors have an ampacity of at least 125% of the service disconnect rating, which is 417 amps times 1.25, equaling 521.25 amps. The overcurrent protection device should be located as close as possible to the welder. The conductors connecting the welder to the overcurrent protection device must be sized appropriately for the current draw.